Namaste. Today we shall talk about a posture Paschimottanasana, and right now I'm sitting in preparatory position Dandasana. As I believe you have heard this definition a lot of time, that Paschimottanasana is the uttana, means stretching or lengthening of the back of the body. Even understanding or knowing this fact, many people do it, I don't know, with their own opinion, that some people bend forward deep from the hip, keep their spine straight, and some people bend deep from their spine. Well, in both cases the posture is not the complete posture, because emphasizing too much on one particular body part is not Paschimottanasana, but perhaps considered as preparation or modification for the pose. So let's break this posture down. This should stretch your calf. This posture should stretch your hamstring, your back of the thigh. This posture should stretch your glutes, some hip muscles. This posture should also stretch your back of the body muscles, all the way to the neck and side trunk muscle, which is your lat muscle connecting to your arm. So if you want to perform this posture as whole, let me guide you quickly that how you should be doing it. A good practitioner is the one who does the posture as a whole, not emphasizing too much stress on one particular body part. So in order to perform this posture fully, you should pull your first and push your knees down. That stretches your calf without raising the heel. Then you should bend from the hip. That stretches your hamstring while your knees are straight. Then you take your ribs inward, like take your neck away from the thigh and forward and down. Now taking your ribs inward, you see, stretches my back. So I'm not actually collapsing, rather I'm hollowing my front belly so that the back of the body have much more lengthening. Then I pull my elbows forward and down. Elbows forward and down stretches my side of the trunk. And finally I bring my head down. So this is your Paschimottanasana. Now I've seen many people, some people who are advanced practitioners, consider them as a real good practitioner. How they do these poses, they do it. Now as you can see that my spine is not really bending well, rather too much pressure is coming to my back of the thighs. Well, this is not wrong, but it is just that this posture is emphasizing too much on one particular body part. But the overall position should distribute that throughout the body, and it should be a gentle stretch. It shouldn't be painful, that your face should not be like, you should not suffocate while breathing. A good practitioner is he who stretches less, who tenses less, and comfortably breathe in the posture. That's how a posture becomes comfortable and stable. Sthira sukham āsana. Now, if you are preparing for the position and you want to stretch different parts of the body, what you do is you point your toes. That does not stretch the calf. Then you bend forward as the way you want. If you want to take the pressure off from the back of the thighs, you bend the knee while you point the toes and then bend forward. It doesn't stretch your thighs too much behind. If you only want to stretch the back, not these all things, what you do is push your tailbone forward, take your ribs up, take your sternum back and push your elbows, shoulders forward. That really stretches your back of the body. If you only want to stretch your calf, pull the toes, push your thighs down. If you want to stretch your hamstrings, straight knees, toes relaxed, bend forward. When you combine this stretch, this stretch, gentle combination of all the stretches makes this posture as a complete pose, which is known as Paschimottanasana. So I hope you got an idea. Namaste.